Experience seamless productivity and sleek performance with the Dell Inspiron 16 touchscreen business laptop. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Designed for professionals and multitaskers alike, this 16-inch device delivers speed, clarity, and convenience in one reliable package. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, this machine handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're working across multiple applications, crunching data, or streaming in high resolution, the 64GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD ensure you never experience a slowdown. The solid-state drive provides rapid boot times and ample storage, while the high-speed processor delivers base speeds of 3.3 GHz with boost up to 5.1 GHz. Perfect for anything from professional work to high-performance multitasking. The vibrant 16-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen display features anti-glare technology and Dell's ComfortView for reduced eye strain during long sessions. The screen's clarity and responsiveness make it easy to interact directly with your content. Whether you're presenting, editing documents, or enjoying multimedia, integrated AMD Radeon graphics add sharp detail and fluid visuals for an impressive viewing experience. Connectivity is never a problem thanks to modern features like USB-C, HDMI, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6. You'll be ready for any video call or online meeting with the built-in HD webcam and noise-canceling microphone, while the backlit keyboard and numeric keypad enhance late-night productivity. A fingerprint reader adds a layer of security and fast access to your system, keeping your work safe and private. This laptop is built to support your day with a long-lasting battery life of up to 14 hours and 15 minutes, so you can focus without constantly searching for a charger. It comes with Windows 11 Pro for advanced productivity tools and security, and includes the Office suite with lifetime access, perfect for professionals and students alike. Dell also includes an external DVD drive and mouse, making it a complete workstation out of the box. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, video conferencing, or handling cloud-based workflows, the Dell Inspiron 16 delivers dependable performance and flexibility. I've included the link in the description so you can explore the most recent pricing, configurations, and any available deals today.